2004 Ford Explorer. Go ahead and grab a plastic trim tool. You don't want to scratch up the plastic. And then you'll just want to wedge it in here on the edge. And you just want to work your way all the way around. Here on the back, unplug the 4x4 switch, push in on the tab, and wiggle that out of there. Make your way down to the climate control and go ahead and get all this unplugged. Mostly you just push down and wiggle those out. There's one, and two. This one, you pry these outward. That'll come out. And for this one, these two you just pull apart. Then to remove the climate control, there's just 4 Phillips screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go ahead and remove those screws and you can replace the climate.